In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export high-quality images from PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or just want to enhance your reports and documents, exporting images from PowerPoint can be very handy. Let's dive right into the process and ensure you get the best quality images with these simple steps. First, we start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft PowerPoint. You'll want to find the official Microsoft link, which will direct you to either the software download page or the web app, depending on your preferred version. Once you have located the link, go ahead and open it. This will take you to the PowerPoint platform where you'll be performing all the next steps. Next, you may be prompted to log in. If you aren't already logged into your Microsoft account, take a moment to enter your credentials. Ensure you're signing in with the account that has access to your desired PowerPoint files. This is the gateway to accessing all your stored presentations, whether they are saved in the cloud or on your local system. Once logged in, you need to select the PowerPoint presentation you wish to export. You can either open a recent presentation or navigate through your saved files to find the right one. Ensure it's the version you intend to work with, particularly if you've made recent edits that need to be included in your exported images. With your presentation open, direct your attention to the top menu and locate the File option. Clicking on File will present you with various commands. What you need to do next is find and select Export. This is a crucial step, as it distinguishes the process from just saving or printing your slides. Now, in the export settings, look for the option to Export to Images. This is where PowerPoint gives you the chance to transform your slides into individual image files, which can be exceptionally useful for sharing and presentation. A confirmation dialog may pop up, asking for your acknowledgement to proceed with the download. Here, you'll want to click Download. PowerPoint will then start preparing your slides for download, converting each one into an image file. Finally, the download will typically come in the form of a zip file. This file will contain all your presentation slides in image format, ensuring high quality as we aimed for at the start. Head to your Downloads folder to locate this zip file. You'll be able to extract the contents to view or use the individual images as you see fit. And there you have it, the simple yet effective way to export high-quality images directly from PowerPoint. With these steps, you can ensure each slide is preserved just as you designed it, ready to enhance your projects or presentations. Thank you for watching.